I just finished this outstanding vintage, this dates to 1970, Reuge double singing bird cage. Wonderful, wonderful condition. Gorgeous red bird on the lower perch with accents of yellow. And then the bird sitting on the higher perch is a beautiful blue bird. So I took everything apart, fully serviced it so it works exactly as it should. Let's hear it play, starting off on the pause feature. Nice long pause. We'll wait for one more and then move to continuous. Bellows work perfectly. The birds animate perfectly, opening and closing their beaks, flapping their tails, rotating their heads, and also rotating their bodies on their axis. They sing with full voice, hitting all of the proper oscillating notes, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. Wonderful condition. And then I'll turn it off. So in summary, a vintage Reuge double singing bird cage that's been fully serviced, works perfectly, and is in excellent overall condition. Take care.